Looking for a quiet neighborhood where the birds sing and the neighbors watch out for one another? You've got it right here in the village at Ashton Creek. Hi, I'm Cindy Morrison from Chenoweth & Cohen. The home I'm about to show you today has 4 bedrooms, a 3-car garage, and plenty of charm. You might not even know this gated neighborhood exists near Yale and 91st. It's very quaint. The home I'm going to show you today is about 3,400 square feet. At the front of the house, there's a living room that could also be used as an office and a spacious formal dining room. The great room and kitchen are stunning with a gas range and wood floors. All of the windows on this home have lovely plantation shutters. The master bedroom is roomy, and so is the master bath with 2 closets. The other bedroom downstairs is currently a workout room, but could easily be transformed back into a bedroom. The extra wide stairs take you to a big game room with plenty of storage and 2 more bedrooms. In this neighborhood, you also have a big clubhouse and a refreshing pool. What's not to love about this home and this neighborhood? If you'd like a showing, definitely give me a call. I'm Cindy Morrison from Chenoweth & Cohen, 918-760-5751.